methods on round of this was next part. So here one person told that like this basically new story basically gets creates and few more buildings basically are going to create, few more cities basically are going to create, few more collector basically will come, few more chief minister will come, few more MLA will come, few more corporator will come, few more doctors will come, few more law people will come, few more people are going to come. So like this basically few more people basically will come basically. So here one person told that yes basically that basically becomes the business basically of the city creation basically. So here we are not going up to the business basically, but this is fact basically. So here one person told that now basically again we will go back to 2000 crore process basically. So now basically one person told that here basically new process basically added by the earth planet basically. The current generation that is basically Mumbai city basically, they have added one process basically in the land with the help of this story basically, that is HIV AIDS, with the help of Mumbai city basically. So here one person told that like this basically they have created one more process basically, they have added basically, already added basically, they have added one more process basically in Mumbai land, that was HIV AIDS story basically. So here one person told HIV AIDS means murder basically, they have done the murder of that boy basically in Kuwait basically, and the girl basically died basically. Like this basically they Mumbai city told that basically we have created one lesson basically, and for that lesson basically you will not able to believe it, the foods are created, one lakh buildings are created, 15 lakh oil basically are created and dumped basically in the land. So one person told that where is that 15 lakh liter basically oil basically which is dumped in the which land basically on the base of this 1 lakh building which is created. So here one person told that वो तो पता नहीं basically where might be. So mostly basically Mumbai, that means Reliance Group that means Russia basically, or basically some European country basically, or basically UAE basically, where else basically they can going to dump. So few people says that Rajasthan is also basically one place. So next we will see